Hello, I'm Shayla Sumko. I'm not for sure why I'm really faded down here. I can't fix it. But I am a mother of two beautiful boys. The interest I am letting you guys know about is I'm into art. Here's one of the first drawings I did in ninth grade. It's a scratch board. I did a lion the same way with gold paper. I cannot find that one. This one is pointillism. I did this one in 10th grade. Um, I just started figuring out I was really good into art as soon as I hit ninth grade and just went into that class. And I did my first picture, which I do not have. Um, for this one, I did also in 10th grade as well. This was my best, but it's one of the pictures I do have. It's when I was like really big into Ford at the time. Um, and this one is a picture of a penguin. I do forget what kind of art this is actually called. But it only took me 2, 3 days to draw because all the shading, because you had to use a shading pencil. It's a bigger picture than this, but it wouldn't show up on the screen. This one I did in 11th grade. Um, the reason I did it like this because I really love wolves. I would love to have one, but the EST stands for Everybody Stands Together. The reason why that is in there is I'm really into Machine Gun Kelly, which is a rapper. So in my depression stage, he kind of got me out of it with his music. So I think that deserves some type of credit for art. This one I just actually pulled off the internet. I thought this was pretty cool with all the colors. It's technically is art. There's different types of art. This one I took in Tennessee when my family took a trip. Down there is my father, my brother, and my stepmother. Um, I just thought that was beautiful. Like, that's really cool. We went to Dolly World, I believe. This was back in 2011. Um, but there's a lot more cool art there I took pictures of, but I didn't have enough sides to do it. One of these is also from Tennessee. Like, I'm into photography as well, which is another form of art. I'm not for sure where I took these pictures you're going to see in the next few slides. I was a little bit young and didn't really remember where, but we traveled up to the Smoky Mountains area. But we took some back roads and found all this beautiful scenery. This one was towards the waterfall. I actually took photography my 12th grade year, my senior year. Um, this was by the mountains when we were hiking to go see the waterfall that you just saw. Here's another one. Um, these were taken in different types of areas of where we were hiking. Like I said, I'm not for sure what part. There is another one of the mountains. It's a little bit farther back. We were actually in the car and traveling down, and I figured I could take a quick picture. Surprisingly, it came out that good. A little farther down, we got some black bears and got to take pictures of them, but they weren't good enough to put on a slide because they were pretty blurry. This is another one. I like this because it kind of looks like the olden days, like, you know, pretty good picture. This is actually also in Tennessee when me and my father went up into a helicopter. I do not remember the name of that one. Long story short, I don't know if they're still in business, but I know after taking this helicopter ride, a few months later, my dad told me that a couple that just got married, I believe, went up in this helicopter and it crashed. So that's sad to hear. Just like the beautiful scenery up there, I have a lot more pictures than this, but like I said, I don't have enough slides. This was over, I believe, the Smoky Mountains area. Another form of art that I like, these are actually my tattoos. I believe tattoos are art. You just put them on your body. This one is the inspiration that had me going for my fitness. And it says, never stop because it was hard. There's actually supposed to be a apostrophe in there, sorry. Keep going and remember why you started. And at the bottom it actually has dumbbell, but the heart, it's not great tattoo. One of my family members did it for free, so couldn't really complain. This one my friend's boyfriend actually did. The reason why I have this tattoo is because I love dream catchers and I love wolves. It's not the best quality, but you know, this one was actually free as well because it was for my birthday. Other pictures I like to take of my firstborn son, Omario Scott. He is now almost 2 in March. He was 6 pounds and 10 ounces and 19 inches long born. I thought this was a really cute picture to put up for you guys. And this is my son Lucas, current picture of him. He is 6 months. They both love Elmo. He was also born 6 pounds, 12 ounces, and 19 inches long. Oh, I'm sorry, no. 7 pounds, 10 ounces, 19 inches long. I forgot he was a pound bigger. And that is all.